Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to clear all cache, temp, and junk files from Windows 10 and 11 PCs, and make your PC faster. So, let's start. Type Windows plus R key for run command. Now, type temp, and click on OK. Here you can see all temp files. Now select all, and delete all. Remember, all temp files are not deleted. You need to skip this file. Again, go to the run command, and type prefetch, and click on OK. Here you can see all junk files. Now select all, and delete all. Again, go to the run command, and type %temp%, and click on OK. Here you can see all temp files. Now select all, and delete all temp files. Remember, all temp files are not deleted. You need to skip this file. Go to the run command, and type clean mgr, and click on OK. Click OK for clean up the temp and junk files from C drive. Select all, click OK, and delete all. Remove cache, temp, and junk files from your computer. Please wait a few seconds for disk cleanup. Friends, after completing all the steps, your computer working much faster than previous. C drive cleaning up process running. Empty recycle bin. All cache, temp, and junk files are removed from this computer. I hope now, my computer works much faster. Friends, please, subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button, for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.